How much space do you need for a precast concrete factory? Now, the actual space for a factory might range from 500 square meters to 2000 square meters. That could be a good enough size. The issue is going to be you need space to store your elements once they're produced. In a precast factory, you can produce elements very fast. For example, a G+5 building can be produced in 1 month or 1.5 months, depending upon the number of equipment you have. Therefore, if you have a small piece of land, do not buy a lot of equipment. Make sure you're designing the factory to be sustainable. The amount of output from your factory should match the amount of storage space you have, or else you'll have the problem of double handling. Now, what do you mean by double handling? Double handling means if your stockyard, which is next to your factory, is full, you then need to transfer the newly casted elements from your factory into a trailer and then move it to another stockyard somewhere else, which means you need to have a crane in that area and you need to have people monitoring it. You need to send trailers to then send it back to site. This is all additional cost. To avoid this, plan your factory properly. To answer the question straight away, if you're planning to do buildings, you can start with a land area of around 2 acres. And if you want to do more than 2 lakh square feet a year, then you would need close to 4 acre land. If you are somebody serious about starting a precast factory, you should visit the Precast Summit in Goa, the link of which is in the bio. If you do not want to attend that, let us know what you want us to answer in the comment section below, and we'll try our best to answer every question in a video or in the comment section itself.